Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mehreen Zafar. I'm the manager admissions UK at the HR Consultants DHA Karachi office. Today I will discuss with you some important information and some important points regarding the Coventry University. As you all know that Coventry University is one of the most popular university here in Pakistan among the students. Coventry University is a public research university in Coventry, England, and with more than 2,000 students in 2017. Coventry University is the larger of the two universities in the city, other being the University of Warwick. Not only that, Coventry University is among the fastest growing university in UK. Coventry mainly has two principal campuses, one in the Coventry city, where a majority of their operations are located. Second is in the center of the London, where they mostly focuses on the business and management courses. Now, Coventry University currently occupies a building campus of 33 acres and at the Coventry City Centre, which is adjacent to Coventry Cathedral and the Harvard Gallery and Art Museum. Now, moving towards the ranking of the university, which is very important, and mostly students are looking for the ranking of the university. Coventry is ranked 13th by the Guardian University League Table 2019 and 44th by the Sunday Times University Guide 2019. Internationally, Coventry University is ranked within the 531, 540 universities in the world by the QS World Ranking 2020. The best part of the Coventry University is the Coventry city itself. Coventry has been ranked 44th in the QS Best Student Cities 2018 list and 18 list, and it is in the top five universities, in the UK. Okay, now moving towards the courses and the faculties, they are offering a variety of courses and they are offering courses with the work placement also. Faculty of they have faculty of art and humanities, in which they are offering the visual and design arts, performing arts, and media related courses. They have a faculty of business and law, in which they are offering multiple business courses with management, and in law they are offering the LLB and LLM programs with in different fields. In faculty of engineering, computing, and environment, they are offering mechanical, electrical, civil, and aerospace engineering, mathematics, physics, and environmental and disaster management. In faculty of life sciences and health, they are offering food sciences, nutrition, health related courses, and psychology and nursing courses. Now, moving towards the duration, intake, and the cost of their program. The duration of the undergraduate program is mostly 3 years. And if a student is going with the work placement, the program will be for 4 years. The tuition cost for the undergraduate program mostly starts from £13,900 to £16,400. Now, for the master's program, the duration of the master's course is 1 year. And if a student is going for the placement option, The cost of the then the duration will be 2 years, and the cost of the program for the 1 year starts from 14,600 pounds to 16,600 pounds. Now, Coventry University, they are basically they are offering three intakes in a year. First is January intake, second is May intake, third is September intake. September is the main intake where they offer mostly all the courses. Application and the admission process is very simple and very flexible. For the admission process, application process, you don't need to pay any application charges. You don't need to pay any consultancy charges. You just need to provide the academic documents from your metric or O levels till the last qualification with your passport copy, and if you are a postgrad student, plus CV. You also need to provide the personal statement, but you can provide the personal statement later. It is not mandatory at the time of the application. And for the mostly postgrad programs and undergrad programs, you also need to provide the reference letter, but at the time of application, it is not unnecessary. You can provide it later. So these are the main documents which you need to provide us to process your application. Admissions are still open in the universities and they are giving the offer letters. As far as the admission requirement, the requirements are concerned, the university requirements are very flexible. Uh, 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 their IELTS requirement for undergraduate program, normally they need 6.0 overall with 5.5 in each component, but it varies course to course. For the postgrad programs, they need 6.5 IELTS with 5.5 in each component. This is the standard requirement. It may vary course to course. Coventry University also conduct English, their own English language test. So you can also go for the their English language test. They are now also accepting the TOEFL IBT computer based. So you can also provide that. Now, Coventry is a very good option for the student who are looking for the university according to the ranking, according to the location. They are also providing the on-campus accommodation, and they have a variety of on-campus accommodation. And the accommodation cost it starts from 130 pounds, and obviously it then varies what type of accommodation you will opt for. So this is the main these are the main points which I discuss with you regarding the Coventry University and their intakes, their main courses, their admission requirement, their location. Now you just need to provide us your academic documents and the documents which I earlier mentioned you. Then we will start your process, and I would like to request all of you, if you are interested to apply in the UK, please send your documents to us. You can WhatsApp us, or you can also contact us through Facebook or Twitter. So inshallah we will get back to you. Thank you.